We'll guide you through how to play YouTube videos in the background on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So this is really cool to be able to do. We're guiding you through different ways you can do this, so make sure it's this full guide and let's go and get started. So if you want to be able to go and have videos playing when you're outside of the YouTube app in a little video player while you're on other apps, first of all, you need to go and open up the settings on your iPhone. Scroll down to General, scroll down to Picture-in-Picture and make sure Start PIB automatically switched on. Return to YouTube and press the user icon in the bottom right and press the gear cog icon in the top right. Then you want to go down and find the option for playback just here. Make sure Picture-in-Picture is switched on. Now, when we come to a video and it's playing, we can then swipe off of it, and as you can see, there it is. It will go and keep playing. But if you go and then lock your phone like so, it will go and be paused. It will go and be stopped and it won't continue. So if you want it to go and keep playing in the background, what you need to do is you need to go and get YouTube Premium. So you can go and press your profile icon in the bottom right and go down and you'll find the option for Premium. At the moment I can try it, but otherwise you can go and subscribe to it. But when you've got it, there'll be no ads. There's lots of other benefits. And when you go and lock your iPhone, it will go and keep playing in the background like so.